Assalamu alaikum and hello friends. Welcome to another episode of IELTS with Ibrahim. In today's video, I am going to tell you the difference between slang words and decent words and why this difference is important for us to get higher bands in IELTS. So friends, first I will define them and after that I will give you some examples of slang words and decent words and how they affect our IELTS band. So without further delaying the video, let's start our topic for today. Friends, always remember that slang is used both as a noun and a verb. First, I will tell you its definition in terms of a noun. So it is a type of language that consists of words and phrases which are unique to a particular profession or subject or even a group of people. If we define it in terms of verb, then it means a type of language that consists of words and phrases that are regarded as very informal or unconventional. Now coming towards the definition of decent language or decent words. The type of language that is considered appropriate or suitable for any circumstance, or the type of words that show integrity, fairness or good moral behavior. Friends, always remember that decent words or decent language is always used in terms of adjective. Now I am going to share examples of words that are used both as slangs and decent words. The first word is basic. Basic, when used as a slang word, means describing someone or something that is very common, or it is also used as a derogatory comment. Its example is, those women are so basic that they are only drinking water at this dinner. Basic in terms of a decent word means uncomplicated, elementary or simple. And its example sentence is, addition and subtraction are basics of mathematics. The next word is coin. Coin is a casual way which refers to money in terms of slang word. Its example sentence is, she is about to earn some major coin. When it is used in a decent way, it refers to physical wealth. So the example sentence is, I have 50 rupees coin in my pocket. The next word is dying. Friends, you say the word dying in a slang language when something is too funny that you died laughing on it. So the example sentence of dying is, OMG, this stand-up is hilarious, I am dying. While in the decent language, the word dying gives the meaning of disappearing, failing or fading away. The example sentence is, her future and all hopes of it fluttered away like so many petals on a dying rose. The next word is epic. Epic, when used as a slang word, means something that is highly enjoyable. Its example sentence is, his latest novel was epic. Friends, when we use epic in a decent way, then it means something that is highly impressive, heroic or classic. Its example sentence is, his epic journey around the world was full of adventures. The last word is lit. Friends, lit, when used as a slang word, means something that is super cool or amazing. Its example sentence is, last night's party was lit. Friends, lit, when used as a decent word, means to light up something. Its example sentence is, the ceiling lights lit in a sequence and blink twice before staying on. So guys, the purpose of today's lecture was to guide you guys about a very common mistake which we commit in our IELTS exam. This mistake highly affects our IELTS score and we remain unaware of it throughout our IELTS preparations. So guys, next time if you plan to attempt an IELTS exam, then always remember not to use slang words in any of IELTS module, whether it is writing or speaking module. Before ending this video, I have an important announcement for you guys that I am starting my online IELTS classes and you guys can join me from home. My first 2 classes will be totally free and for remaining classes you can register if you wish to continue with me. So guys, I am sharing my WhatsApp number for Pakistani students please dial 0342645765, and the international students can also contact me on the same number by putting the country code 92342645765. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you guys think that this video was useful and helpful for you guys, then like it, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you with the next interesting video. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.